No. Collecting cardboard for form work. We have a ton. Julia's very happy. Just as a side note, it is March 31st and it is probably 30 degrees out. Thank you, State College. Ooh, a box. Oh geez, oh geez. Good catch.
There's like something in it.
Ew, I don't even want to know what's in there. Open it.
Cookies!
No, no. Oh my gosh.
Are you serious?
Eat one.
I dare you to eat one.
I dare you.
Eat it.
Still fresh? Oh my god. Do it, do it.
Do it.
Oh,
Oh, the rock.
Come on, we ate glue together.
oh my
The
gosh.
rock.
It smells good.
No. Rhino Oldak. Eating. Eating.
I didn't say that.
Dumpster.
You just ate dumpster cookies.
Katie, do you want to try it?
Absolutely not, but it looks like someone already took a bite out of this one.
Yes.
Oatmeal raisin. Nice. Well, thank you, Penn State. We'll check back in later.